What is up, YouTube? Today I'm back with another tutorial. Really hoping this helps some people out. I had a guy message me on my Instagram a few days ago, and he told me, hey man, I've got this project ready, it's all molded up. I'm ready to pour the epoxy, but how do I know how much I need to order? And that is a great question. It's really important to know how much you're ordering, how much you need, and it's a really easy formula. So for figuring this up, you only need two things. You need a tape measure and a calculator. Unless you're some crazy whiz that can figure out formulas in their head, but I need a calculator. So I'm just gonna measure the length of this river I've got going on here. I'm gonna go outside to inside on the mold. And as you can see, that's about 74 inches. We'll just round it up to that. Then you wanna find the most widest spot of your river. In my case, mine's right here. And I'll just round that up to 10 inches wide. And then lastly, I'll just measure the depth. That's right at 2 inches deep. All right guys, so I'm gonna open up my calculator. So in the length, we had 74 inches. In the width, we had 10 inches, so we do 74 times 10. And the depth, we had 2 inches, so 74 times 10 times 2 equals 1480. So what you're gonna do now is you're gonna go to google.com and you're gonna use cubic inches to gallons. You can just search that in this little convertible pop up. So 1480, that's 6.4 gallons, about 6.5 gallons. So next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come over here to this link, I'll leave it in the description, and I'm gonna get this deep pour epoxy. This stuff is just incredible. I've never had any issues with it. I never have any bubbles. The stuff is like water, so it doesn't really hold bubbles. And you can pour it to about 3 inches deep with no issues. And each kit comes with 1.5 gallons, while most other kits come with only 1 gallon. So that's why I like this stuff a lot. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. If you have any more questions, leave a comment and let me know.